So level 1.5, we did turn for the follow, followed by a outside turn for the lead with a hand toss. Yes? So we're gonna start it nice and slow. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. Remember that 3, 4. 3, 4. As you step with your left leads. Left hand toss. Then turn 5 to 6, 7, 8. Get on top of the hands right here. Then to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes? If I do it from this side, do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Also, guys, be careful when you're turning here. Don't go towards the follow. You're gonna bump into each other. Stay on your lane. Stay on your lane. Yes? Here, go to the side. Don't go diagonal. If you go diagonally, you're gonna bump into the follow. 5, 6, stay on your lane. Then we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes? Second one, we did a turn with the delay turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is my prep. 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See? Do it from this side. 1, 2, prepare, turn. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Close, open. Hand toss as I'm doing my basic. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when this happens, follows, you gotta keep your steps. Some of your follows are completely stopping. You have no idea what to do with your feet. What we're doing with our feet is like we're doing this. As we're doing the hand toss. You do step, 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 tap. Yes? Although your basic is not traveling, you just do step, 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 tap into an open. Step, 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 tap. 5 and 6 and 7 together. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. What Jessa was saying, look at your lead. One. See? Because she was looking at me, then she's able to maintain her balance. If you don't do that, follows, you're gonna lose your balance, you're gonna fall. Yes? Although I wasn't doing that in class, but just so you know. So now we do the whole thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 1, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hands going down faster because I'm placing my hand on her waist. If I place it on the back, hands still up. But in this case, right here. So then we can do the circle, tap with the right. Step, 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 tap, step, 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 tap, step, step, tap, step, step, tap. From this side, no, from this side. And then we finish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. 1, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. Yes? Good job, guys. That's it for today.